Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Stiebel Eltron water heater not working, common problems, error codes and repair. So fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is plugged in properly. Check the circuit breaker and reset if has tripped. Turn on the heater back on and see if it start working. Second one is reset the water heater. Turn off the power to the unit, then wait about 5 minutes. Turn the power back on, check if the error code or problem is gone. Third one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the water supply, then remove the inlet filter screen, then rinse away dirt and debris. Reinstall the filter and restore water flow. Fourth one is check water flow rate. Open the hot water tap fully, then make sure there are no clogged faucet or shower head. Clean any blockage and test the heater again. Fifth one is check the temperature setting. Locate the temperature control panel, then increase the temperature setting if it is too low. Run hot water and check if the temperature improve. Thanks for watching.